Attach the side pack.
So the side room, okay.
Yep. We'll take the floor and just put it into position.
Okay.
Close to where it's going to be.
Underneath the side of the tent.
Yep. And
okay.
then this way the zipper will be close to where we want it to be when we go inside.
Okay. But you put it on from the inside.
Yep.
And so we were talking earlier that there's this door, it's the solid and the screen, but it's on both sides of the tent.
Yes.
And so this is the bigger tent.
Yes.
What model is this?
This is the LYNX 640.
LYNX 640. And you can choose which side of the tent you want to put this extra room on. So like in this case, we wouldn't, in some cases we wouldn't want to put it on this side or the other side. Maybe your
in some cases you might not want to put it on at all if your campground is tight.
Okay.
You might leave it off because you don't have
leave it off.
Side.
Okay.
Or one side might be a tree and the other side might be a hill.
Gotcha.
So that's why it's completely removable. And
okay.
There's a door on both sides, so you're not left with just an opening.
Okay. Yeah. And the smaller model,
it's sewn in.
It's sewn in.
Yes.
On
not reversible.
Not reversible.
On the left-hand side.
Left-hand side. Curious, can you buy an extra room for this larger version so you have it on both sides?
You can.
You can.
Yes. Yeah, you can see all the carpet fuzzies in here.
Oh, from the trade show? Yeah.
We really try to, like you've seen them online with the tables and carpets and fishing poles and everything else. We try to, when we go to the trade shows, we really
deck them out inside? Yeah. Okay.
So,
let me kick my shoes off too. Hold on a second. Let me come on in. Whoa.
We'll show some of this air truss stuff here. Actually, while we're here too,
All
I'll
right.
get the pump and we'll pump these up and get this looking right on the inside.
Yep, we can go through all of it. So we're gonna do the room first. All right.
Okay, we'll do the room first.
Yep, we started the room, so we'll do the room first.
Yep.
So we chose to put it, you can put it on the left side or the right side. There's screen, which is a no-see-um mesh heavy-duty screen.
Yep.
And the canvas is rolled down on this side, but you could put the room on either side. So we chose this side.
Yep. So out from the inside, the first thing will be the screen door.
Okay.
We'll open that up. And I'll roll both of these at the same time. We have
roll them together. Okay.
Yeah, it makes it a little bit tidier.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think this extra room is amazing. I'm so excited to see it.
Yeah, it's nice. It's definitely nice. And what we do up at the campground is we'll put a little portable toilet in there.
Okay.
Little kids don't want to go out at night.
Yeah. Heck, little kids, nothing. Mom don't want to go out at night.
You said it, not me. So basically what I'll do, I'll take the two of them together. I'll just let it fold right in half.
Okay.
And then maybe one more time.
Okay.
And then roll it instead of rolling it all the way out from out there.
Okay, good idea.
It's a little less, I guess, effort.
Everybody likes less effort.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
So that'll just keep that down.
Okay.
Sure, the zippers are down. And then from the outside,
get out here and see what you're doing.
Yep.
Okay.
We're going to begin to zip on the side pack.
Okay.
The reason I like to be on the inside is so you can kind of guide it as you're zipping it.
Okay.
I'll take a little bit in my
And
hands.
I like that this overlaps your zipper, so it's all protected from the rain. Yep, 100% waterproof.
Yep. So I'll draw this up and we'll zipper a little.
Yep.
I'll draw it up again.
Once you get it started, it's easy. Okay.
Yeah. You just basically feed it with your other hand. And then basically kind of extend the floor, and then we'll go back outside and put the poles to it.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
So that's it from the inside, and then once it's set up, I'll come back in and
Okay.
look at it from
Yep.
the inside.